Welcome back to the channel. I recently did a makeover of my bedroom and I want to show you some of the things that I purchased. What I had previously was essentially the same decor I had been using all throughout high school and throughout my time at home visiting from college. My bedroom now doubles as a home office, so I'm spending much more time here and I needed an update. I went from a twin-size bed to a full-size bed, so I needed new sheets. I'll show you those as well as the new comforter I got, the blanket, the duvet cover, a new floor lamp, table lamp, and a cool ladder bookshelf. Nothing in this video is sponsored in any way. I purchased everything of my own money and paycheck that I use in this own home office. And no products were given for free. So this is my new bookshelf. This is the greenforest ladder shelf 4-tier bookshelf, and it's about 57.9 inches in height, and it measures about 20.5 inches in depth and is 18.7 inches wide. It did come with an instruction manual that you do have to put this all together yourself. It nicely came with material such as the screws and stuff, but it also came with like a screwdriver, a little wrench to help you tighten up things, so that was very helpful. It does take some time. I did this by myself. Obviously it would take less time with two people, but one person can certainly do it themselves. It is metal and it is very sturdy. It does not move around, it's not jiggly or anything. I don't have to worry about anything falling down. I know Urza here looks a little precarious on the edge, but I know she's not going to fall. I like it a lot because it easily lets me access anything on the shelf that I want, anywhere from my D&D dice to any of the books that I have read, or even the Lord of the Rings movies that I have here. The height difference between the shelves is about 16.3 inches, so I can place some tall items on the shelf, like this yearbook here, but lots of stuff fits, and I left mostly the bottom shelf mostly bare for when I get more books. I really wanted a bookshelf after I had gone to a house party at one of my friends' houses, and they had a really nice ladder bookshelf displaying all their stuff. So I was like, what other good idea to have other than a ladder shelf to display what I like to read and obviously all my little figurines. I tucked it away in the corner mostly because I can easily access it when I'm in bed, or if I need to get something at the bottom I can. But some people make these one of the focal points in their rooms, and certainly you can too. So this is the table lamp I chose for my room. This is the high-end 3-way dimmable industrial lamp. This lamp has touch controls, so this right now is on the brightest setting. Now it's off, low, medium, and high. I always keep it on the high setting. And this one does come with 2 USB charging ports on the side. I haven't found a chance to use them yet, but if you're somebody that has a lot of USB cables, this is definitely going to be helpful for you to reduce anything, any clutter, and easy access for when you do need to charge your phone. Again, I do really like the industrial modern minimalist look with the metal and glass. It came with this 6-watt LED bulb, which is the equivalent brightness of a 60-watt incandescent bulb. It's about 15.75 inches high, and wire length is about 4.92 feet. So if you have an outlet that's far away, you can still plug it in. Don't worry. Here's a side view. Definitely brightens up my room, and it fits my decor a lot more than what I had previously. This is my new duvet cover. It's a Vendant Designs Elephant Mandala duvet cover. Now I actually had a very, very, very similar, almost identical version of this in a twin size for my last bed, but this one is a queen size, which measures about approximately 90 inches by 80 inches, but it fits well on my full-size bed. Gives enough to overhang a little bit so you can see the design a little bit more. Very, very detailed and beautiful. That's why I wanted it, again, in a bigger size. It does come with 2 pillow shams. Now I just prefer white pillowcases, so I just haven't put these on, but they are 100% cotton. It's made in India by hand, and it's really a beautiful piece of art. I was kind of skeptical at first with the description, but it did actually come from India. So the design, I love the design. Again, I bought another one with, I would say this is a 90% match to my other one. It has a bunch of animals on it, as well as, you know, different floral prints, which you have your peacock, you have a camel. I got it, I love this one for the elephants. Usually if you look up a mandala cover, it's a lot of beautiful flowers, but elephants, which are on this one, with their horn up in particular, means good luck. So, or at least that's what I was told. That is what I was told, that you have an elephant with its horn up, that's good luck. So that's why I made sure that the elephants that are on it have their horns up. So I definitely love it. It's a great, it's like a really good piece in my room since I don't have a lot of wall art. This is like the art itself. Inside the duvet cover, which it's very easy to put stuff inside. I actually looked up a YouTube video on it, so if you're curious, it's very simple. You roll it up, but the ends, they open up very easily. It's not zippered like a lot of them are. I would say that's probably like the only thing I am not favorable about this design, but my previous one was zippered up. But this one, you have ties, and on the inside I have a weighted blanket. Now this weighted blanket, I don't want to pull it out fully because I took time to put it in there earlier and straighten it out, but this is a twin-sized weighted blanket. I needed a new full-size comforter for my bed, so I got a Utopia Comforter, which it can also be a duvet insert, but for me, I put this apart, I kept them separate. Now this comforter is 100% microfiber, so it's machine washable with cold water and can be tumble dried on a low heat setting. It does have 4 corner tabs to make it easy to put into a duvet cover if you choose to do so. So this is what it came in. As you see, it's the full size. It goes up to a California King if you have one. 100% polyester. I'm sure there are other colors too. I got white because for me it's easier to know when it's dirty, and white tends to go with a lot of things. So it's very, very soft. That was one of the reasons why I chose not to put in my duvet cover, just because if I lost my sheet, this is also very, very soft. It's not too thick either. It's like a nice little fluffy cloud. Here's one of the tabs for a duvet cover here. It's on the top corner here, obviously. But yeah, very soft, thick. It's very good. So my new sheets are made by California Design Den. They are the 400 thread count version in pure white. The set came with a fitted sheet, which is on underneath here, and top sheet and 2 pillowcases. They feel super soft and luxurious. They are not scratchy at all. I have used these a couple times. That's why I look a little wrinkled, but I mean, they just came out of the wash. That's how you know that's real cotton. Even with pulling them right out of the box, they are super soft. They don't have a funky smell or anything. They feel very luxurious. So as I mentioned, they do come with 2 pillowcases, and the tag is in here to show you. Sorry, it's a big pillow. Right here, showing you that it is in fact a standard pillowcase made in India with 100% long staple cotton. I'm very happy with this sheet purchase. They're very soft, very good night's sleep with these on. I'm definitely not going to go back to what I used to have. Alright, so this is the floor lamp that I chose for my room. It's Isloys lamp. I really like the modern industrial look. It went with my bed set. And this definitely has a mix of metal and glass, and I really like the look of the exposed bulb. So the lamp here, you do have to put it together, but it did come with 2 LED lights in different designs. This is one of the designs. It's a longer Edison style bulb. And then the other one is more round. It's 9 watts as well as this one, and it's just a different shape, a different look, you know. The bottom is a very sturdy round base. I have it tucked under my bookshelf right now, but it tucks away nicely. And there is a convenience foot switch on the cord. If you have this out in a family room or something like that and you need to turn it off or adjust anything, you certainly can with that. But I use a smart plug with mine, so I just tell voice commands with Alexa to turn the light on and off without having to do anything manually. So this is about 66 inches high and provides a fairly decent amount of light. I really wanted a floor lamp. I didn't have one before. I had very poor lighting in my room, and this definitely is a big change. Alright, so that's a look at the new additions I've included in my room redo. Definitely thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more reviews. Thanks for watching!